There's nothing like a homemade cherry pie, flaky buttery crust, and a juicy sweet tart filling. Today I'll show you step by step how to make the perfect cherry pie from scratch. Let's get started. First, let's make the pie crust. We'll need 2½ cups of flour, a teaspoon of salt, and a tablespoon of sugar. Give that a quick whisk. Next, add 1 cup of cold cubed butter. Use a pastry cutter or your hands to work it in until it looks like coarse crumbs. Now, slowly drizzle in 6 to 8 tablespoons of ice water, mixing as you go until the dough comes together. Form it into 2 discs, wrap them up, and let them chill in the fridge for at least an hour. While our dough is chilling, let's make the delicious cherry filling. You'll need 4 cups of pitted cherries, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and a splash of lemon juice. Mix everything in a saucepan over medium heat. Stir constantly until the mixture thickens. This takes about 5 to 7 minutes. For an extra depth of flavor, add half a teaspoon of almond extract. It makes a huge difference. Now, let this cool completely. Now take one of your chilled dough discs and roll it out into a 12-inch circle. Carefully transfer it into a 9-inch pie dish. Pour in the cherry filling, spreading it evenly, and dot with small cubes of butter for extra richness. Now, roll out the second dough disc for the top crust. You can go for a full top crust with a few steam slits, or make it extra fancy with a lattice design. Once you've placed the top crust, trim and crimp the edges to seal everything together. To get that golden bakery-style finish, brush the top with an egg wash, just 1 beaten egg mixed with a little milk. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius and bake for 20 minutes. Then reduce the temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius and bake for another 30 to 35 minutes until the crust is golden brown. Now the hardest part, letting it cool for at least 3 hours so the filling can set. And there you have it, the perfect homemade cherry pie. Just look at that flaky crust and juicy filling. Serve it up with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or fresh whipped cream and enjoy. If you love this recipe, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more delicious recipes, and let me know in the comments, what's your favorite type of pie?